big hand in that as well, I bet. A pair of feet. Shut up!
Behave yourself, Socks.
Oh, hang on, I'll smile.
Oh.
Yeah, that'll be a nice one.
Where am I? Where am I?
You stopped.
Where am I?
No, don't stop.
Where am I?
Look at his eyes. It's just like,
Socks feeling left out. Oh, there you are.
when did you last take him out rabbiting?
She goes out twice a day, mate.
Yeah? What, rabbiting? Yeah.
Well, no, just walking. But on the last week she had, I think she's caught 7 rabbits.
Yeah?
Hey.
Come here. Come here.
No. Love that. Hello. Hello. Ow.
Yeah, their claws are sharp.
Mm.
What the little ones didn't like the weekend. They kept hanging on.
Yeah.
They dropped them when they put their claws out because they just instantly come out to... That one's got a sore eye. They're really
Which one?
scrap trying to feed. They go like that with one another trying
Yeah.
to...
This
they've
one's?
scratched
Yeah, the
her
black and
eye.
white one. Dice.
Yeah, they've scratched her eye. She's got a sad face, that one, if you look at her. She's really sad.
Sorry.